Now this time we are going to learn types of network. Okay, we have heard the names like LAN, local area network, personal PAN, PAN, personal area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network, internet, so many things we have heard. Okay, now this time we are going to learn these things. See, we are going to learn different types of computer network like personal area network, local area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network, along with different characteristics of PAN, LAN, MAN, and WAN networks. See, first of all, we will learn types of networks. A computer network may be small or big depending upon the number of computers or nodes attached with that network and other devices linked together. Thus, network vary in size, complexity, and geographical spread. Okay, so network vary in size, complexity, and geographical spread. On the basis of geographical spread means the area it occupies or it needs. Depending on geographical spread, network can be classified as personal area network PAN, local area network LAN, metropolitan area network MAN, and wide area network, that is WAN. Now one by one we are going to learn this type of networks. First of all, we will learn personal area network, that is PAN. PAN are small networks used to establish communication between computer and other handheld devices. Handheld devices means the devices which can be kept in hand. Okay, and those devices, say for example mobile, laptop, pad, okay, these things can be used in a personal area network in the proximity of 10 meters only. What is the area, geographical area it can cover, the PAN area, up to 10 meters using wired USB connectivity or wireless system like Bluetooth or infrared. Okay, USB connectivity. Suppose we connect a mobile phone with our desktop computer or laptop computer using a cable, USB cable. Then what we are doing? We are establishing a PAN network. Okay, we can copy data from mobile phone to computer, and we can transmit data from computer, laptop, or desktop to our mobile phone. Then this type of network is known as PAN. Even we can connect so many devices Bluetooth, using Bluetooth and infrared also. Okay, the network that belongs to a single person or user is known as PAN. Okay, now the PAN network is occasionally used by single person. Okay, mobile phone, computers, printers can be connected using these PAN system. PAN are used to connect, see here, computers, laptops, mobiles, and other IT enabled devices to transfer files including emails, digital photos, audios, and videos. Okay, for this purpose PANs are used. Next we will learn local area network. LAN is a privately owned computer network covering a small geographical area. Okay, small geographical area. Okay, small physical area like a home, office, or a building such as a school. It can cover an area spread over a few meters to a radius to a few kilometers. Okay, within 1 kilometer, 1 or 2 kilometer, we can use a local area network. A LAN is owned, controlled, and managed by a single person or single organization. Okay, when LAN is generally owned and controlled by single person or organization. A LAN can be set up using wired media. Wired media means UTP cables, coaxial cables, etc. or wireless media. Infrared, radio waves we can use to connect different nodes, different computers, different devices in a local area network. LAN users can share data, programs, printers, disk, modem, etc. These things can be shared among LAN users. Data transfer rate speed over a local area network can vary from 10 Mbps to 1 Gbps. Okay, that much speed or bandwidth can be can be used in LAN. Okay, local area network provides the fastest, occasionally provides the fastest communication between the nodes of the computers. Okay. Now next one is metropolitan area. MAN is larger than LAN. It is larger, okay, in geographical area. In comparison with the geographical area, MAN is larger than LAN and cover a city and its surrounding area. A city and its surrounding area. You can take an example of cable television network. Cable, okay, cable television. Through cable television network is used these days, in some previous days also. That type of network is also given for internet in metropolitan areas, which covers the whole city or some area, okay, some kilometers. A MAN usually interconnects a number of LANs and individual computers. All types of communication media, guided and unguided media, okay, are used to set up a MAN, which is typically owned and operated by a government body or a large corporation. Okay, for example, the interconnected offices of a multinational company, MNC company, or cable television networks available in the whole society, whole city. Okay, multinational company is having so many branches within a city, and those cities, if they want to connect with each other, they use guided media, sometimes unguided media, and through this they establish MAN, metropolitan area network. And what is the purpose of a network? Those purpose can be fulfilled here. They can share files, data, devices, and they can transmit pictures, photos, videos, these things. Okay, they can communicate with each other, messages can be sent. These features is given by the metropolitan area network. Now next is wide area network. This type of network spreads over a larger geographical area, largest geographical area, okay, across countries and continents. Even countries and continents, we can go beyond these things. Okay, this is known as wide area network. WANs are generally used to interconnect several other types of networks such as LANs, MANs, etc. They facilitate fast and efficient exchange of information at a high speed and at low cost. A WAN uses common carriers like satellite systems. It can WAN area can even use satellite systems, telephone lines also, etc. For example, a network of ATMs, okay, banks, government offices, international organizations, offices, etc. is spread over a country, continent, or covering many continents. Okay, these are the examples of wide area network, and the most suitable example for wide area network is the internet. Internet is the largest WAN spanning the entire planet. The whole globe is used, okay, to establish a network of internet, and that is a wide area network. Now here we have given you comparison between different types of network. Okay, PAN area, PAN network, LAN network, MAN and WAN. What are the differences here? First of all, the parameter we have taken, that is area covered. PAN, a small area up to 10 meters. LAN, a building or a campus up to 10 kilometer. Okay, MAN, a city up to 100 kilometer radius. And WAN, the entire country, continent, or even globe. Now, what is the cost to establish this type of network? PAN, negligible, nothing we need. Okay, all the devices are already available with the devices, so we have to use Bluetooth, okay, USB cable or something, negligible. Now LAN is inexpensive, means it costs something, but not the cost as MAN or WAN is required. Inexpensive. Okay, MAN, metropolitan area network. It is expensive to establish a metropolitan area network, and organizations or multinational companies can afford these things. Wide area network, very expensive, okay, to establish a wide area network, and these can be afforded by only government or some larger corporate or MNC companies. Transmission speed, high speed. PAN gives high speed LAN also gives high speed, but MAN gives moderate speed, and WAN is depending on larger area is there, so its speed is lower. Error rate is lowest in PAN network, lowest in LAN network, moderate in MAN network, and highest in WAN network. Okay, now network devices used. See what are the devices used in PAN. WLAN, okay, USB and dongle is used. Okay, in LAN, WLAN, hub, switch, repeater, modem, these devices are used in LAN. Now in MAN network, router or gateway is used. Okay, and in WAN network, router and gateway is used. Okay, what technology is used here? Technology media used, infrared and Bluetooth is used here, Ethernet and Wi-Fi is used here. In MAN, optical fiber, radio wave or microwave is used here, and in WAN, microwave and even satellite is used to establish a WAN network. Okay, these are the comparisons you must remember. Now differences between LAN and WAN. What is the difference? Yeah. So many times this question comes in our exams, differences, and you must remember those things. See, local area network and wide area network. The distance between the nodes in a LAN connection is limited to a specific range, approximately 10 kilometers. And in case of wide area network, it spreads across thousands of kilometers in different countries and regions and even the whole globe. Okay, LANs operate between speeds of 1 megabits per second, 1 Mbps to 10 Mbps. We can get speed up to 1 Mbps to 10 Mbps. And WANs operate at a speed of less than 1 Mbps. Its speed is lesser than in comparison with the LAN. The error rate in LANs is lower than the error rates in WAN because of short distance involved in LAN. And the error rate in wide area network is maximum. Okay, the error rate in WAN is approximately 1000 times more than the LANs. If we compare with the LAN, the error rate of wide area network is 1000 times more. Okay, as LANs are limited by distance, an entire LAN is usually under the control of single entity or an organization. But WAN are usually operated and controlled by multiple organizations. Okay, so many organization is needed to control or maintain or manage the wide area network. Okay, say for example internet. Okay, before we going to learn network topologies, now we should recapitalize these things. Okay, see what we have learned here. Types of network. See, so many there are 4 types of network: PAN, LAN, MAN and WAN. PAN is what? It is a network. This is just personal network which uses USB connectivity or Bluetooth or infrared. A single person uses this type of network. Okay, and the devices which can be used in PAN is computers, laptops, mobiles and IT enabled devices. Okay, what is the purpose of this PAN? Email, digital photos, audio and video transmission. Okay, in local area network, it requires a small geographical area, suppose such as home office or building of a school or a company. Okay, it can cover area spread over a few meters or few kilometers. Okay, now LAN can be set up using wired or UTP cables or wired or wireless through Wi-Fi. Okay, and what is the purpose of LAN? To share data, programs, printer, disk, modem, etc. And the speed is much higher, that is up to 10 Mbps, from 10 Mbps to 1 Gbps speed. Now next one is Metropolitan network. It covers larger area than comparison to the LAN, and it can also use guided media and unguided media, means wired or wireless, to set up MAN. And only government or larger corporation can utilize this type of metropolitan area network features. Okay, it covers the whole city, this area. Now wide area network. Wide area network is the largest geographical area as compared to the other previous types of networks. Okay, it can also connect so many LANs and MANs with each other, okay, using the wide area network. And to establish a wide area network, we can use satellite networks also, telephone lines also. Okay, so for example of wide area network are ATM, banks, ATM communication, banks communication, government offices, internet organization offices, which are spread over the country or even go beyond the country or continents. Okay, and the most suitable example is internet. Okay, see the network comparison we have given here, which we have to learn, and some differences between LAN and WAN, which is very much important as based on the examination purpose. Okay, now we have learned different types of network. Okay,